Hello guys, here is how to do affiliate marketing with Jasper AI. Okay, so the first step is to register on Jasper. If you haven't, then just click on the link in the description and you get 10,000 words for free. You'll also get 5 days free trial. Okay, so once you sign up on Jasper, the next step is to click on templates. Once you click on templates, then right here you have AIDA framework. You can use the AIDA framework for affiliate marketing on Jasper. Now, the first approach is through affiliate marketing on social media. Okay, click on AIDA framework, and then right here you have company slash product name, have the product description, the tone of voice. And then, as usual, you just type in the name of the product. You can get any really good products from Amazon or from Clickbank, and then you can promote these using social media posts generated by Jasper. Very fast and easy. You can write up to 10, 20, 30 different copies every single day. Okay, you can also use this for Facebook ads, Google ads, and essentially any kind of copy to help you sell this specific product. So now we have a product, GZ camera. This is the product description: great resolution, crisp image, great for YouTube. That's a very good description. And then you click on the tone of voice. Here you can choose any tone of voice. You can choose fun, serious, conversational, interesting, formal, but I love to leave it as reading. Okay, so then you click on generate, and then Jasper will generate a copy for you to use while promoting this product on your affiliate website, on your Shopify store, on your Twitter page, your Instagram page, Instagram Reels. This is a really compelling copy. Okay, then all you have to do right here, you can see there's a call to action. It says purchase a GZ camera today on our store. Just come to Amazon or Clickbank. If you have a link, then you can also like put in your Shopify link right here where it says on our website. Just put in your Shopify link and then people can purchase the camera from you. Okay, so that's the first method. And the second method is through content marketing. Okay, it's essentially writing blog posts or articles that will help you promote a specific product that will be of value to the reader. So let's assume you have a website. If you don't have a website, then you can simply learn how to create one on WordPress. It's very easy. And then once you create a website, you can post articles that provide value to people, and at the same time articles that help you promote certain products through affiliate marketing. Okay, so for example, you have how to lose weight fast through exercise. Right here on Amazon you can see healthcare products. There are lots of healthcare products, but since you're writing an article on exercise, you can simply come to Amazon, search for products about exercise. This could be different things like dumbbells, could be exercise plans, it could be a course on exercise, it could be a meal plan, it could be anything really. You can get this from Amazon, or you can actually create one by yourself. Okay, you can create a course on maybe Squarespace and then sell this through affiliate marketing by generating content to Jasper. So how then do you begin writing this content? You simply simply press Control key and then hit J. That's if you're using a Windows laptop. But if you're using a Mac, then you have to press Command and then press J. Okay, Control and J for Windows, Command and J for Mac. Okay, so now you can begin the article by pressing Control and then J. And then Jasper starts writing the article. Okay, so this is great. High intensity interval training. Very great article, 100% unique article. You can have this done in less than 5 minutes, and you have a 500 word article in less than 5 minutes, and you can post this on your website. You can connect your website to AdSense. You can market certain products, but you just have to make sure that the products you're recommending to people are actually very useful products. Okay, so right now we have about 500 words in less than 5 minutes. Okay, that's crazy. So the next step is to copy this article. This is a 100% unique article. You can copy this article and then publish this on your website, on your any page that you want to use to promote the product. So right here, once you have your affiliate link from Amazon, you can add a link on Jasper by clicking on a specific keyword. So for example, right here it shows it says running or cycling. Okay, so if you wanted to promote a treadmill or something like that, you just click copy running, highlight running or cycling, and then right here it says add link. Okay, so you add the link, whichever affiliate link you have, just paste it right here and click enter, and then you can publish that on your blog, and whenever people read this article and click on that link, you get a commission. Now it's very easy to do this because generating an article on Jasper is very easy. You can write up to 10 to 20 articles a day and use these to promote certain products of from your own Shopify store, your Etsy store, or you can just sign up on Amazon or ClickBank and promote specific products from there using your own affiliate links. So I hope I've been able to show you how to do affiliate marketing on Jasper using Jasper AI through ClickBank, through Amazon, and through Shopify, and through content creating a blog. And if you got some value from this video, kindly click the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. So if you would like to sign up on Jasper, kindly click on the link in the description and then sign up to get 10,000 free words and a 5-day free trial. If you want to learn more about how to write an article with Jasper, how to write a blog post in less than 2 minutes, click on some of the videos we have. We've explained all these things in detail, all the Jasper AI templates in detail to help you with all your writing needs. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.